Withdrawing money from your Apple TV Plus account to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Apple TV app. Launch the Apple TV app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your Apple TV Plus subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or the settings option within the app. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Check payment information. In the account settings, look for the payment or billing section. Here, you can review your payment methods and ensure that your bank account details are correctly entered. Step 4. Request withdrawal. If there is an option to withdraw funds, select it. Follow the prompts to specify the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. If this option is not available, you may need to check your subscription status or contact customer support. Step 5. Confirm and complete. After entering the withdrawal amount, confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer. In conclusion, withdrawing money from your Apple TV Plus account is a simple process if you follow these steps carefully. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for assistance.